Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome all Nyongo, please, Nyong Studio 4D, Nyongo Company is moving YouTube channel, all my friends. Look at this. What a shock. It's a beautiful ROM for you. I installed this with ROM of Samsung Galaxy Note 8 on my Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Look at it and say to me what you think. There are also these special settings GRX. Look at what a shocker. With this, you can configure this ROM. You can download also this ROM under this video. How to install this? Let me to show you how to install this on my YouTube channel, Nyong Studio 4D. Go on YouTube. Let me to download YouTube. Download YouTube application or go on YouTube browser. Click on install. YouTube. Wait a few minutes for installation. We continue with settings. Look at beautiful settings into is the same. The change is here. We continue. You can also see here. Look at YouTube download is here. And this is the recorder that I used to make this video. Welcome. It's not finished. Wait for finishing for the finishing. And it's done. Installing. Wait again a few minutes. Beautiful. Wait again a few minutes. Yeah. Almost finished. It's not finished. Wait again a few minutes for finishing. Beautiful. YouTube. Installing. Wait a few minutes for the finishing again. You need to enter your Samsung account to download more information, more application. Wow. Look at, there are also a beautiful we get into. Okay, it's finished. Go on YouTube to see how to install this ROM. And under this video, you can see how to download this ROM. YouTube. Go on YouTube. Enter Nyong Studio is here. And look at this. So beautiful. Shock. Look at. Okay, this is the video what you need to see to install this ROM. And under this video, the link is here. Wow, beautiful. Galaxy Note 8 ROM for G7 plan is not okay. Please, is this Galaxy Note 8 ROM for Note 3? Okay, setup is this video. You can watch this video, and under this video. Here, if you meet this the downloading is here. We start your mobile. The download this video we install this application. Okay. Thank you. What do you think? We continue. Beautiful. Let's go to see the wallpapers of this. Wallpapers. Click on agree. Again. Okay, wallpapers. Click on view. And welcome. The new wallpaper is here. Wait a few minutes. Yeah. Beautiful. Default 5. What a shock. I like these wallpapers because if you wallpaper directly of the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. We continue. Let's go to see the camera. Welcome. This is the camera of this mobile. So beautiful. Let me to show you something in the frontal camera selfie. What a shot. You can okay? Yeah. Hello, my name is Nyong Studio. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at these settings. What a shock. Beautiful. Wow, you can configure your camera here. Rear camera. Wow. Settings. Video size. Picture size. And many features into for you. We continue. Beautiful. Yeah, close all applications. You can also download a new theme. Wow. Very beautiful theme too. Style. Go to see. Search on theme. Wait a few minutes. Wait again. You can see all theme is here. You can download this to customize again your own. Wait a few minutes. Okay, we have a problem of connection. Okay, when you come here, download this theme. This is a beautiful theme for you. I'll make a video on my YouTube channel to show you this. Wait again a few minutes. Connection. Let's go. Alright. Look at this. So beautiful. Look at this. So powerful. You can click on download now. To download this theme. Wait a few minutes. Beautiful. Wait again. So beautiful. So nice. This is Samsung Galaxy Note 8 Home for Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Beautiful. Wait till we're finishing of this downloading. Wow. Beautiful. You can see we're downloading here. The time is downloading. Downloading here. This time is called Style. Wait again a few minutes for finishing. You can see the detail. You can view the details about this theme. There are also beautiful themes under. You can download and try this. Wait a few minutes again. Wow, so nice. Beautiful. Okay, wait again a few minutes and let me to show you another things. Music. When you come on music, you see there are many music is here. Music. Wow, beautiful music for you. Let me to test something. Let's go to see, for example, this.
100% Mambo ya Mungu.
Take this, go back. Okay.
Témoignage vol 4 avec l'ancien Paul Kalumba.
Beautiful.
Les 10
Look at
2010.
volume.
Ésaïe
Beautiful.
chapitre 23, Ésaïe
of volume
26,
is here.
13.
Nous allons lire Ésaïe 26.
Pause. Play. You
13.
can like this. Beautiful.
Unapata naweza kusoma
Volume.
kwa haraka. Ésaïe 26, 13.
Celui qui
Wow,
trouve,
beautiful.
il va lire rapidement Ésaïe 26,
Nice.
13.
It's so nice. Wow, come here. Welcome to this. Beautiful. Them donating. You can see here, the music is
Le
here.
prophète Ésaïe, c'est un grand prophète que j'aime dans la Bible.
Namupenda
You can do
juu
this.
anasema mambo ya
To watch
Yesu.
the next
Je
one.
l'aime parce qu'il parle à propos de Jésus.
Na mimi najua Yesu juu alinitosha mimi mu prison
Wow,
ya
so
mubulozi.
nice.
Et je sais que c'est
Ah,
Jésus qui m'a fait quitter la
beautiful.
prison de la sorcellerie.
Kama Yesu
Beautiful,
akufuaka kuna leo hii
beautiful,
pengine
we
nishakufa
get
swati
into.
nikupaka mutumwa kubulozi.
Si Jésus
Okay.
n'existait pas, je pouvais être mort
We get off
aujourd'hui,
music.
mais ou soit je
Okay.
devais être encore
And
dans la
out
servitude
here,
de la
for
sorcellerie.
example.
Lakini hapa nabii
And you
Isaya
can
eko
click here
namwambia
to also
Mungu
direct to
hivi.
your
Le
music.
prophète Ésaïe est en train de dire
Wow,
ceci à
so
Dieu.
nice.
Éternel notre Dieu,
Wamilele Mungu wetu.
Wow.
d'autres
beautiful.
maîtres que toi
Let's go
ont
to
dominé
see
sur
this.
nous.
Mametre bengine
Eh,
banenda
tena.
kutawala
Yes.
papetu.
Nilikwambia sema
also
univers iko
add
divisé mu deux
here on
parties.
the
Je t'ai dit que
external
l'univers est
music.
divisé en deux parties.
Royaume ya
show you
kwanza ni royaume de
music.
lumière. Njo mule mimi na
External.
wewe tuko.
Le
Regarde.
premier royaume, c'est le royaume de la
Look at
lumière.
ici.
C'est là que toi et moi nous sommes.
Look at
Royaume
music,
ya
pause,
pili ni
and
royaume
play.
ya ténèbres.
Et
Beautiful.
le deuxième royaume, c'est le royaume des ténèbres.
nice.
Ile mimi na wewe
Wow.
hatuwezi
What do you
kunegliger.
think?
C'est le royaume que nous ne devons pas négliger, toi et moi.
Na Satan njo
And we
maître
go
wa ile royaume.
for the
Et c'est
next
Satan
video.
qui est le maître
Which
de
is
ce
too
royaume.
beautiful.
Église,
Don't
ni royaume
understand.
moja iko na organisation
Okay, I will
ya
test
yulu.
this for you.
L'église, le royaume du Satan, c'est un royaume qui a
Okay,
une
okay.
grande
Let's go to see
organisation.
on my
Ba
YouTube
démons
channel.
supérieurs, ba démons
What
inférieurs, na ba
news?
princes infernaux.
For
Il y a des
you.
démons supérieurs, des démons inférieurs et des princes infernaux.
Wait again,
Nawaza
you
Ijuma
okay.
tutaanza tamipatia classification ya ba démons.
Okay.
Et je pense que la semaine que nous venons de commencer, je vais vous donner la classification de démons.
Beautiful.
Manake una domine na Yesu Kristo.
C'est-à-dire, si tu n'es pas dominé par Jésus,
Kuku maître atatoka
Okay,
mwile
okay.
royaume ya ténèbres anakudomine.
il y aura un maître qui va quitter le
Okay.
royaume des ténèbres
Ah,
pour
ici,
venir dominer sur toi.
something-
Nabii Isaya yako namuonesha
Style
mke
is
d'autres maîtres que
style.
toi ont dominé sur nous.
Let's go to
Ah,
see.
prophète Esaïe est en train de dire à Dieu que kuna kuya
Welcome.
ba maître
Click on
bengine
reply.
abana bako banakuwa
To
kutawala
apply
yule
this
yetu.
Donc hapa pa dunia tuko hata kama uibake au landake.
Sur la terre
Wait
où nous
again a
sommes,
few
même
minutes.
si tu ne mens pas, même si tu n'es pas voleur,
Shetani
again.
atachokipe na wewe.
il y a ceux-là qui se disent, je ne vais pas à l'église, mais je ne fais pas de mauvaises
One,
choses.
two,
Mais si tu n'es pas avec Jésus, je te dis que le diable va t'imposer d'autres choses.
Look at
Unajua shetani
Wow.
Mungu alimfukuzaka
It's so
toku mbingu me
great.
pouvoir alimwachiaka.
And it's
Vous savez que
Ah.
le diable a été juste
What do
chassé
you
du
think?
ciel, mais son pouvoir,
I
il a
like
gardé
this.
ça.
I like this.
Kama
Look at this.
unasoma mu Matthieu,
Si tu lis
Wow.
dans Matthieu,
fashi mwa Yesu alikuwa kama
Beautiful.
prière ya 40 jours et 40 nuits.
il y a eu un endroit où Jésus était dans la prière de 40 jours et 40 nuits.
Mais après kutoka mu malombi,
Après cette
many
prière,
things.
Biblia inashuhudia hivi, asema shetani
What a
anamkuia.
shot. Look at
La
this
Bible est en train de témoigner en
Wow.
disant que le diable
So
s'est
nice.
approché de
Look at
Jésus.
this.
Église
Look at
shetani
this.
hata pale
Look at
tunaombaka
this.
ye kuya
Wow,
atakuya
shot.
lakini
So
ashitakuweza.
beautiful.
Église, le diable,
Look at
même quand
this.
nous prions, lui, il va seulement commencer à venir, mais il ne va pas te vaincre.
Biblia inasema anamtransporte Yesu mu esprit, anamunyangula me Yesu anafanya prière ya 40 jours et 40 nuits.
La Bible nous dit qu'il a, transporté Jésus en esprit, mais la Bible nous dit qu'il a fait une prière de 40 jours et 40 nuits.
Beautiful. Look
Maanake
at
hii mafundisho tunaleta ni juu
Alright.
tuyue position na strategie na manevre yote ya diable na basorcier.
Et l'enseignement qu'on est en train de donner, c'est pour que nous puissions connaître la position, les stratégies et tout ce que la sorcellerie est en train
what
de
do you think?
préparer
Say
par
to me
rapport
what
à
you
nous.
think on the best video.
Il faut connaître le sorcier.
And now, let's go now to the next video on my YouTube channel, Nyan Studio 40 for you. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let me to show you again my YouTube channel on YouTube. YouTube, Nyan Studio 40, and Hero, welcome. Beautiful. So nice and so beautiful for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can enter this home with this video. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Go.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on Nyong Studio. My name is Nyongo. I have a new home for you.
A new home for you
Samsung
on the
Galaxy
video.